This is a Nissan Maxima, a 2007 Nissan Maxima. And the problem with this Maxima, originally, the problem was the owner drove the vehicle to the shop and it was not shifting or variating. It's a CVT inside here. So he was going to bring it in to get the transmission fixed. However, he went on and drove it until it didn't move. So it ended up being towed into the shop. And we put a transmission in. We got it to move. However, it still didn't shift or vary like it was supposed to. So I saw something, and I had this problem with a Nissan Murano before. I'm going to show you something here. Okay, right now this vehicle is in park. However, although it's in park, you will see that it doesn't show park. Okay, now when I put it in reverse, it will show reverse. It will not show neutral. It shows drive. Okay, so it's neutral, drive. Neutral no show, reverse show, park no show. Okay, so let's go here. Got park. It's in park down here. Okay, so if we look up here, it shows no park. Okay, we'll put it in reverse. So it's in reverse there. And I look up here and it shows reverse. Okay, put it in neutral. That's neutral right there. It shows no neutral. And let's drive. And there you see it shows drive. So it won't show I'm in park again, won't show park or neutral. The problem I had with that before with the Murano, when it was not variating, was a bad TCM. So what I ended up doing was getting a TCM, a used one, as a test. However, it doesn't communicate with the other TCMs, but it did give me an idea. Okay, that's his old TCM right there, plugged up. And let me see, what did I do with the used TCM? Okay, here's the used TCM right here. Okay, that I got offline. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this TCM in, and I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen when I put this used one in. Okay, now I have hooked up the used TCM. There's the old one sitting there, the one that came out the car originally. That's the used TCM. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start this vehicle up. It's in the park position. We're gonna see if the park light come on. Okay, I can turn the ignition on. You see the park is showing here. And it's in park there. Okay, put it in reverse, it's showing. Neutral shows now. Drive shows. Drive always showed. Okay, neutral, reverse, and you have park. So it's showing with that computer. The only problem with this computer is, even though it did that, it shows that it doesn't work. It gets a bunch of cans, miscommunications, transmission range problems. This computer is not matched to this car, so when putting this on, it doesn't work either. But it did work enough to let me know that there was something wrong with the computer, not showing the park reverse neutral. So what I end up doing is getting to use computer. Now let me see if I can show you what this one gives me. Where are you, Maxima? Okay, here's what I get when I put that use computer in. I get communication circuit problems, fluid pressure switch A, fluid pressure switch B, and PC solenoid B. I get some more codes because somehow this computer is not matched with the chip probably that's in the transmission. And this is the used computer over there, the one with the green writing on there. Now what you could probably do if you wanted to, with the Nissan Murano, we got lucky. We put in a computer and everything matched. Didn't have to do anything. But with this Maxima, that one didn't match. So you could try to get, I don't know, try another used one, then another used one until you get one to match. Or you can just go to the dealer and get one that's set for this car. And that's what I did because I didn't have time to be just ordering computers to see if they're going to work. And if it has to be programmed, this should be a plug and play. But if it has to be programmed, the place that programs for us won't program a used computer. So it has to be one from the dealer anyway. So I decided to just go get one from the dealer. It costs about $800 to get that thing. And we're going to put this in, the new one. Okay, so we verified that the computer has something to do with the park reverse neutral. Okay, let me show you here. I got the new one in the box over there. Here's the new one that's in the box, and this is the one that came out originally that's malfunctioning, not showing park reverse neutral. This is the one, the used one that I use as a test. You know, got it online, not too expensive. So one here, got from the dealer, supposed to be for this car. So I'm going to put this one on.